guys, so again it is the next day. Today is Thursday and again it is around 10:30. The same time I have my break because again it's a working day, so I have classes, tuitions and all those stuff. So today's outfit idea is given by my classmate, my support system. She has been there always. So her name is Misha. So let's see what she has for us.
Hi Kushi. So for this video of yours, I'll give you a solid crop top with kind of any color and a floral mini skirt. Hope you like it.
Okay, so that was a nice outfit idea. I liked it. So I have, excuse me, I have a floral skirt, mini skirt. I have in blue shade, blue background, and also a solid crop top with reddish. It is not exactly a crop top, but kind of the same thing with reddish pinkish shade. So yeah, so I took the shower and as she told, here is the floral print mini skirt. The crop top, I just tied a little knot here. It looks cool this way. So yeah, later I'll just pair it with a little bit of jewelry. Let's see how the day goes. So there is nothing much planned. I don't know what will I do today because I'm sick. I'm not well today. Let's see what happens.
રોજ સવારે વહેલા ઉઠીને એક વાત યાદ રાખો, રિટર્ન ટિકિટ તો આપણી કન્ફર્મ છે, એટલે મન ભરીને જીવો, મનમાં ભરીને નહીં. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
आई थिंक हम पैदा ही दोगले हो गए. हिपोक्रेसी खून में है हमारे. कैसा आदमी है औरत पे हाथ उठाता है? कैसा आदमी है औरत से मार खाता है?
तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में, हो शाम भी तो क्या जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा.
Hey guys, so it is the next day, Friday. So basically monsoon has hit here where I live. So I don't know what will I do because the whole week has gone by like this only because it has been raining all the week. So I'm trying to do as much as I can do, but please pardon me. So moving to the video, today is Friday and for Friday a very good friend of mine, she has been my Momo's partner. So yeah, she has sent me the video for Friday. So let's see what she got for us.
Hi Kushi, I strongly feel that go all denim top to bottom for your outfit of the day.
Okay, so that was again a very thoughtful video. So I just want to tell you guys, I wasn't expecting such ideas from my friend. I thought they'll be like basic or something extreme, but they have given me such unique good ideas. So I'm really willing to try it. So let's see and let's go all get it. Okay you guys, I just got from the shower and this is my all denim look. So FYI, I have so many denim clothes, including the tops, bottoms. I have this dungaree also in denim. So I had so many things. I just wanted to pick out the most comfy clothes because I have to wear it all day. So this is what I decided. I hope you guys like it and let's see how the day goes. Now it's time for workout. Like I haven't been able to work out since 2-3 days, but now I finally have the time right now. But since I am in denim, I don't know how will I work out. But yeah, let's work out. Okay guys, I'm done with my workout. I couldn't do so much of workout today. It is really uncomfortable working out in denim, right? It is really uncomfortable. I couldn't really stretch my legs and all those stuff. So I didn't work out too much. But it's okay, I worked out as much that my body gets pumped. But it's uncomfortable. Okay guys, so that will be it for Friday. And if you can hear it, it is raining heavily with thunderstorm and lightning. So after workout I couldn't do anything much, but I don't think I wanted to do anything else because I really enjoyed this denim part, but it is really uncomfortable, guys. You cannot wear denim for whole day and do all the stuff you do in your casual clothes. It is not possible. But I will strongly recommend wearing denim for casual outings with your friends, hangouts, for clubbing. It is really nice for that, but not for wearing at home. It is uncomfortable. I'm just dying to take this thing out and change into my casual clothes. I'm just dying. So I'll just change now and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, so finally the weekend has approached. Today is Saturday, but there is nothing new for me. The same old school classes, the same tuitions, but a new outfit. So let's see what so basically today's outfit is given by a very good friend of mine. Again, one of my classmates, I might say. Her name is Apurva. So let's see what she got for us.
हाय खुशी, तो तुझे आज कोई ऐसा ड्रेस पहनना है जो तुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद और तेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So all the best.
So I am getting some really unique ideas. This was one I really liked. So every household has that one outfit or that one dress which we hate. I mean, I won't say that I have something that I hate, but I don't like it that much. But it is one thing that my mother loves. Like, she loves that one. She always urges to watch me in that cloth or the dress, I would say. But yeah, I don't like it that much. So I'll wear and I'll show you. Yo guys, I'm back. And this one is the one I was talking about. I don't know, for some reasons I don't like it that much. But my mother loves it. Like, she just loves it. She wants me to wear this to every occasion, to every party. But I don't wear it that much. So yeah, here is the one. Hope you guys like it. Guys, so a quick update. मैं निकली हूँ बाहर.
Hi.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ. I'm still in these clothes. These are really not comfortable. But मैं निकली हूँ walk के लिए. And देख रहे हो मैंने क्या क्या किया. sweating like anything. I just cannot. मैं बस अभी ये नहीं झेल सकती, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा भैया. तो 8 बज चुके हैं एंड मैं अभी कपड़े चेंज कर रही हूँ. बस मेरे से नहीं झेला जाएगा, माफ कर दो मुझे. I'm done guys, I quit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and then bye. Hey guys, welcome back. I am very energetic. It is Sunday. It is yoga day, Father's Day, solar eclipse and whatnot. So yeah, I got up early today. I got up 6 in the morning. We had our yoga session, so I did yoga. And now it is time for our outfit. So today, the outfit is sent from the person who is closest to me. Like, she is the closest. She has been my friend for over 10 years, like not 10 years, I would say 12, 13 years, like I lost track, but yeah, we have been friends for so long. You can say she's my childhood friend, and let's see what she got for me.
Hi Kushi, for this challenge I wanted to get dressed up in a really cute crop top with a pair of denims or any pants which it suits. I'm really excited to see you in this look, so all the best.
Okay, as I told you, she has been the friend for the longest, so she knows what I like, what I dislike. She knows that I love crop tops. I just absolutely love crop tops. So I'm very excited for this challenge. So today is Father's Day. One of Papa's friend is also coming over for lunch, so it will be a fun day, it will be a great day, and I'll be the most comfortable. So let's go. Okay, I am here. Crop top, denim or jeans or whatever she told me. This is how I pair it, and I love this crop top. This is a gift from a friend of mine, so I really love it, and it's cute, right? So guys, it is Father's Day today, so I just made a little cards for my father, and one uncle is also coming over for him, and a little cake, lunch, yeah. Really sorry, but I might have some old pictures in the same outfit. I might put it there, here, somewhere. And I couldn't work out even today. It was an exhausting day. Father's Day, solar eclipse, yoga day, and whatnot. So yeah, I'm done for today. I'll just change now and go to sleep. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'm really sorry I couldn't do much today, but nonetheless, that was it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope आप सबको पसंद आया होगा, and thank you for each and every friend ये वीडियो में आने के लिए, मुझे इतने अच्छे अच्छे ideas send करने के लिए. Thank you so much. You guys were awesome, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below which was your favorite outfit or which was your favorite day. And yeah, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, stay happy, stay positive, spread love. I love you guys. Bye.